bodies.
Thank you very much. I'm Daniel from the Daily National. Previously, you have waived the bills for the patients of this nature. Are you also going to waive this bill?
We don't call it waiving. We have a procedure in the hospital. We do have a fund for disaster cases, natural disasters, civil unrests like this one, and in most cases their bills are catered for. But we are not at that point yet where we are talking about bills. The most important thing is that the patient received timely care and is continuing to receive timely care and will receive care up to the point when we think he is fit to be discharged. Yes.
My name is Vera from KTN. You've mentioned of patients coming in with gunshot wounds, and you mentioned of two, one on the scalp and the patient we are talking about here that was identified yesterday on camera. Perhaps the other gunshot wounds, were they specifically to the head, to the legs, on the back, and chest? What kind of gunshot wounds were they?
I may not give you the actual types of injuries, but in total we got about 7 people that we think got injuries from projectiles. And as I mentioned, 4 of them were waiting to go to surgery, so they cannot determine what kind, whether it's live or not bullet. And this particular gentleman that I have talked about, I've said we suspect to be a rubber projectile. And I said, I didn't say, but we haven't lost any of them. And I think we've discharged, if I'm not wrong, 2 that also had other injuries. I may not give you a breakdown of the various body parts which were hit by those projectiles.
Last question.
I am Susanna Wilbeck from NTV, and my question is the hospital doing anything special to ensure the security and privacy of the victims since how their cases are in public spotlight?
Yes, we always in our normal operations we have elaborate security procedures. During moments like this, these procedures are heightened, and we are